up, cooks? Today we are making a classic lasagna. We are using this Malacasa Bakeware. It's absolutely beautiful. It's porcelain, it's durable, and it's beautiful. So we're gonna make a beautiful layered lasagna. We're gonna make a homemade meat sauce. It's gonna be absolutely fantastic. So join me, cooks. Welcome to the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen. So for our Christmas tablescape, we used the Malacasa dinnerware set. It is absolutely beautiful. I'll put a little link up here and down there to that video. It's beautiful, it's porcelain, and has this little wave pattern. So today we have their bakeware set, and this is equally as unbelievable, right? It is also porcelain. You get three sizes. I think it's a 2.2, a 3.2, and a 3.4. This version of it has little grill lines in here. I don't think you're going to get grill marks, but they're sort of decorative, right? Keeps your piece of chicken up off the grease a little bit in here. So say if you're cooking some meat in here, it'll keep it off the grease. Here's our middle size. Look at how absolutely gorgeous this is. I love this stuff. I'll put a link down in the description for this. Look at this. I am a sucker for bakeware, right? Ceramic bakeware, porcelain, fully vitrified. It's beautiful. So this is what we're going to be making our lasagna in. We're going to be making a meat sauce, homemade meat sauce. We're going to be layering our lasagnas. We're going to bake it off. It's going to be delicious. We're going to be using this one, the 3.4 quart. So I just want to take this opportunity to thank Malacasa for sending this and allowing us to try this out. There will be links down in the description if you want to take a look at it. So let me go pull the ingredients so we can start our lasagna in this beautiful baking dish. Okay, let's make our meat sauce. So I have a big enameled cast iron pan here. And I put a little olive oil, and we're going to put some diced onion in here. Right? It always starts out good when there's onion. Whoa. Very beautiful. So we're going to cook this until this onion is translucent. So these are looking mighty fine. I'm going to go ahead and put some minced garlic in here. I love garlic, so this is like a whole bulb. I don't know how many garlics it is. A whole bulb. Maybe 5, 6, something like that. And we'll give us a little minute or so to bloom that garlic. Now I have a pound of ground beef and a pound of sausage, Italian sausage. Yum. Let me grab my meat chopper here. These things work awesome for breaking up ground meat. So you can buy Italian sausage in your store like either bulk, or you can buy them as sausages and just take them out of the casing. That's what we did. So I'm going to give this some salt just to get some seasoning action going on it. I'm giving it some fresh cracked black pepper. And I'm going to give it some granulated garlic. The flavor of granulated garlic is different than fresh garlic. So a lot of times I use both. So we're going to let this cook until it is done. Okay, so normally I would switch out my spatula because I used it with raw meat, but we're getting ready to cook this sauce anyway. So I'm going to put some fresh basil. Yum. I'm going to put some fresh parsley. That smells fantastic. Fantastic. Look at that. Wow. I'm going to put a can of tomato sauce. Now we have diced tomatoes. Put their juice in there. Two cans of diced tomatoes. Put some more salt in here. This is, you're just going to have the salt and pepper to taste. If you want to go ahead and use dried seasonings, you can do that. Basil, Italian seasoning, oregano, all that fun stuff. And we're just going to bring this to a simmer, and we're going to let it simmer for about 40 minutes. I'm going to put the lid on. And when that happens, we'll be back. Okay, so I started a pot of water here to boil our lasagna noodles. Our meat sauce is looking amazing here. Look at that. It's smelling amazing too. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to take this off this burner, put it to the side, and we're going to mix up the ricotta mix for the lasagna. So I'm putting in our lasagna in here. 8. Okay, there's plenty in here. So this is just a 1 pound box. So we're going to let that cook. Woo! Let me stir up these noodles here real quick. So I have a tub of whole milk ricotta cheese. This is like a 15-ounce thing of it. I'm going to add an egg. Woo! Getting a little crazy there. So I'm going to put some parsley in here. I'm going to put a little bit of basil because I have a little extra. I think I'm going to put a little bit of pepper. And I'm going to put some Parmesan. Ooh. And we're going to go ahead and stir that up. Get the egg beaten up in there. Some people don't like ricotta. If you don't like it, you can use cottage cheese. Some people use cottage cheese. Definitely will not have a traditional taste to it. Okay, it's time to create our lasagna. We have our very nice Malacasa thing here, baking pan. I'm going to put some meat sauce on the bottom because this keeps it from sticking to the bottom. Plus, it gives you a nice saucy bottom to coat your noodles. We're going to line our pan here with our lasagna noodles. Woo! These babies are hot. Oven is ready for us. Yeah. Woo! Ha! Yeah! That's looking okay. So we're going to take our ricotta here. We're going to put it down here. And we're going to spread it out. Let me grab a knife. Okay, so we got a little ricotta in here. Yum. I'm going to put some Parmesan down here to add a little different flavor, and some mozzarella. So there's kind of like, I don't know if it's controversy, but it's like what do you do on what layer, what order? You can do this however you traditionally do it. With another layer, some of my lasagna, I broke it up with the pinchers, getting it out of there. So I'm going to go ahead and put meat here. It depends how much ricotta you like. We'll put some Parmesan on here. I'm going to put some cheese on here. I'm just having a little fun here. Everybody has their way of layering their lasagna. I'm just surprising Eric here with the way his layers are going to be.
Oh, I'm sure. It all goes in the same place, right?
I'm just having fun with it. Whatever, right? We're going to go noodle. Noodle. I sort of broke my noodles up. Noodle. Meat sauce. I'm going to go kind of a heavy meat sauce layer. Whoops. Yum. 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 And we'll give us a nice coating of cheese here to top it off. I put about a pound of cheese in here.
Thank you.
Yum. Let me grab some foil. Okay, I have a piece of foil here. I'm just going to spray it with this olive oil spray. And I'm going to put it on top of this beautiful dish that we have here. So I'm going to cook it 30, 40 minutes with this on. And then we're going to take it off for another 20 minutes. So all that cheese gets bubbly, bubbly, bubbly. So when we take the foil off, I'll be back. Okay, but let's take the top off. Smells good. Be careful. It's hot. Ooh, yeah. Look at that. It's looking good, so we'll close her back up. Now that is some deliciousness. And the pan did amazing. The Malacasa Bakeware, look at that. Oh, that is cheesy lasagna goodness. Let's get this baby out. Oh my word, the lasagna is out of the oven, and look at that. It's gooey, it's cheesy, it has a little crusty edges. Oh my gosh. And the pan did beautifully. The Malacasa. It is a beautiful, beautiful piece of bakeware. And that's a beautiful lasagna. So you think I can cut it? You want a big piece or a little piece?
Surprise me.
Surprise you?
Well, it's a new year, you know. I should start new habits, right?
New year, new lasagna.
There you go.
Whoa. 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 Whoa.
Okay. Hey, one piece. Yay.
Whoa, look at that. That looks absolutely amazing. Do you think you can take a bite of this, Boo?
I don't know. Bring it closer to me, my lovely.
Come on over. Okay, Boo, taste it. Eric's got the weekender haircut.
All right. I've been chowing on this, but obviously I haven't been saying anything. So let me officially say something, all right? I'm going to tell you what. It's pretty good. Pretty skippy here. So, noodles are good. The ricotta, I just got some on that bite. Yay. Sauce is good.
How's the sauce taste? Homemade sauce.
I don't know. I might have to take another bite. I'm undecided. Got some sausage and stuff. That had sauce, so that's pretty tasty. Got some more ricotta here. I can see it.
It looks pretty good. Too bad I can't have cheese.
Well,
I don't make lasagna a lot because I can't eat the dairy.
no.
So, I'm somewhat of a beginner lasagna
So this
cook.
is a labor of love for her because she loves making it for me, right? Because she can't eat it, but I can. The whole thing, right? Yum yum. But yeah, no, this is really good. I think the baking dish did a really good job because obviously it did, right? Everything is what it should be. I know it's not technical terms here, but
It did a wonderful job.
it did a wonderful job.
So, cooks, that's an easy lasagna with the homemade meat sauce. It's nice and cheesy, and the Malacasa Bakeware did a great job. I love it, and you'll be seeing it in the future. So, thank you, Malacasa, for sending this for us to try. The links will be down in the description. I really appreciate it. So, thanks for joining me, and I hope you enjoy this recipe.
Refill, please.